Welcome everyone, my name is Ria. I'm here in one of my properties. If you remember, my contractor and I did this kitchen countertop, and now this is the final day where I'm turning this home over to one of my doctor physicians. So today is this move-in, and my crew and I, my team and I finish cleaning, renovating, setting up the property as a furnished home. So this is the look after my contractor did the work on this kitchen countertop. How do you like it? Let me know in the comment section below. Let me see if I can give you a better view. So this is the finished product. You can see the glitters. Alright, this beautiful kitchen. So for those who are live with me, I can answer your questions while I'm here live on Facebook. And what apartment questions do you have for me? I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna give you a tour while we give our viewers and listeners a few time to come on. I'm going to give you a tour of the first floor, the living and dining room, of how we set it up. So I'm going to show you this home. Give me a sec. So we were very busy over the last few days setting up, cleaning up this home. We did the beautiful hardwood floors. I had a flooring company did this hardwood floors all the way. There's 2 sets of stairs. You can see that. It's all beautiful refinished hardwood floors. This home. This is the living room. And this floor here has a different size compared to this floors here. This is much narrower, probably like 1 to 2 inches, and this is 6 inches wide. I love this original hardwood floors. I love to reuse, repurpose the beautiful hardwood floors that's covered by carpets. So this used to be covered by carpets. We took out the carpets, and the flooring company resanded and then applied polyurethane. All right, my dear friends, this is the home that I'm turning over. I hope you get busy. It's a beautiful day out there. Get out. Take care. Enjoy. God bless.